Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a pork steak in the air fryer. This will be real easy. I bought this package of pork steaks. There was 3 in there they were $10.02 for 3 of them this size. They're about £1 a piece roughly, a little less than £1. So I'm just seasoning this up with this Traeger pork and poultry rub, apple honey. I've been using this on chicken quite a bit, so and it's good. It's got a nice sweet flavor. So I thought I'd use it on this pork. I bought this at Home Depot, but I also saw the same one at Walmart. It's in the barbecue section. Okay, now I'm just going to get that into the air fryer. That fits right in my air fryer. This is a 6-quart air fryer. It's a Cosori Turboblaze. They sent me this one, I don't know, about a year ago or so to try out, and I like it a lot. It's a good air fryer. Now I'm going to cook this at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. And I'm not going to turn it over, I'm just going to let it cook. I set the timer for 12 minutes, but it's been 10 and I thought I'd open up and check it, so let's see here. Internal temperature is 160 degrees, only needs to be 145, so I think it's done. You can see how it's all curling up. I think it's done. I'm just going to shut it off right there. Let me actually check closer to the bone though, real quick, and see what that is. That is, yeah, it's 165. That's good. So this cooked in 10 minutes. It's fairly thin steak, and that air fryer cooks pretty fast. The cooking time will probably vary depending on your air fryer and how big your steak is. But I didn't turn it over. You could if you want to. It's kind of up to you, but since this is so thin, I didn't really bother. Anyway, let's slice off a piece here and try it out. That has a nice sweet flavor. That apple honey rub has a nice sweet flavor on pork. I like it. And it turned out real juicy too. Oh, I guess we'll better let Annie see what she thinks. Want to try it, Annie? Come on, grab it. There you go. Looks like it's Annie approved. Well, that was good. Pork steaks turn out good that way. Just figure out what kind of a side dish you want and you got an easy meal. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.